Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? So today is the day we are finally going to put a new clutch in the TURBOMARO. This thing's been broken down for like 3-4 months almost. Super dirty. We washed it the other day. It's already dirty again. And with City Performance being sold, we're gonna do this thing in the garage. So we're gonna play some musical cars real quick, get the TURBOMARO in here, and get to tearing this thing apart. It's gonna be a mission, but let's get it done. TURBOMARO is in the garage, and this is what we got to replace the burnt out clutch in this thing. A beautiful twin disc Mantic clutch with an aluminum flywheel. If you don't know, I have a triple disc Mantic clutch in the Drift Cat, and it's only right to get one in the Camaro. So huge thank you to Mantic Clutch once again for supporting my journey in this car world. One good thing about this car being a turbo car, there's no exhaust that we got to take off, so that's a huge plus. That's the end of the exhaust down there. Yeah. Look what UPS just pulled up with, the new pilot bearing. So we're ready to go, just waiting for it to cool down. Got a little baby fan on her. It's like 100 degrees outside, so not the best day to do this whatsoever. We're about to knock this out.
Trying to spill this shit everywhere. Drive shaft is up. There she goes.
So next up, drain the trans. Shit, start dropping the trans. We're almost there. Hopefully we don't get covered in this shit either. Never changed this fluid before, so don't know what it's gonna look like. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, that sucks. My hands are gonna smell like ATF for hella long now. On the bright side, fluid looks good. Pulled the ultimate rookie maneuver. There's the drain plug. We gotta take out the center console, unbolt the shifter to be able to drop the trans. Boot out. Alright, here comes the shifter. So now we're done in the interior. Let's go back underneath the car. Making progress. Okay, so turn the light on. We got some ghetto shit going on. Obviously, I don't have a trans jack. I'm trying to decide if this is the best option that I have to try and help me get this thing out by myself, or if I can find another option around the garage. So far, this is what I got. Let's drop it without dropping it, if you know what I mean. Oh. Alright, let me put this camera down.
Why? You get your goddamn ass.
Fuck. Feel like I just fought a small bear. But trans is out. Let's take a look at the clutch. Oh my god, I'm whooped right now. Looks like we got a McLeod twin disc in here that failed. I'm gonna go take a shower and go to bed and hop back on this in the morning. And good morning, YouTube. So last night we got the trans out. This is where we left off yesterday. This is what we're looking at now. Got the bell housing off. Was a pain in the ass because these bolts are so tucked behind this transmission tunnel. Anyway, time to get this clutch out of here. Clutch is out. And as you can see, this thing definitely got a little hot over, I don't know even how long it was in there for, but straight rainbow, bunch of heat spots. This thing was cooked. Time to upgrade. All right, and I'm back. So ran a bunch of errands earrings. I ran a bunch of errands, dropped off all the orders from Hello Clothing. All your merch is on the way, so if you ordered something, thank you, it's on the way. Had to call in a reinforcement. The homie came through and he's going to help me finish this ASAP because, as you guys know, it's taken me damn near 2 days just to take everything apart, and I want to drive this car, so he's gonna help me. He said he did a clutch on an F-body in his driveway in 2 hours. Shit. The only thing that's still in there is the flywheel. We had to go grab a pulley removal tool, so we're not gonna be using bread, unfortunately. We got some race cars over here today. Drift Cat, TURBOMARO. We got the Drift Vet C5 thing. If you guys remember, I drove this car before. Hella fun. Angle kit, coils, all the good stuff. Hydro. You can see on this damn flywheel from the cheetah spots. Those aren't cheetah spots, by the way. Those are heat spots. And then the clutch is completely rainbowed. So there was a ton of heat in there, which is making taking out the pilot bearing a huge pain in the ass. Puller didn't work, so a couple bearings here and there, but she's out.
Golden.
Pick that one up.
This guy.
Feel the weight on that one, right?
Oh, that's billet aluminum.
And then pick this one up.
Oh, fuck this. Hey, help.
What do you think the weight difference is? Like, at least 10 pounds?
10 to 15 easy.
10 to 15, so it's definitely gonna have a lot quicker revs. It's a new day, we're back at it. The new slave cylinder, the right one for an F-body, and the remote bleeder, which was gonna make our life a whole lot easier. I went in pressure washed the trans, so we got this cleaned up as much as I'm gonna clean it. Hopefully this thing will be finished today. Transmission is in the car. So update, moving fast. Trans in, torque arm on. Now it's time to fill this thing up with some fluid. Oh, I'm spilling everywhere in here.
Oh no.
Not doing a good job, bro. There's a funnel, but I just blew it. She's full of fluid. So let's go ahead and throw the shifter on. Shifter is back in. TURBOMARO is back together. It is finally come back on the ground. New clutch, new slave cylinder, new pilot bearing, new fluid in the trans, new fluid in the clutch. Clutch has been bled. Everything's good to go. So put this thing on the ground and we're gonna take it for a nice little test drive. No burnouts or nothing. We'll see. But yeah, I gotta break this clutch in, but let's go ahead. Cold start the Drift Cat and then cold start the TURBOMARO. Yeah, back on the ground. Yay! Let this doggy warm up. We'll take her around the block. All right, nice and warmed up. Got a good chop on her. Let's go see how this thing feels. You ready?
Yeah, let's
go.
go.
Do it. All right. Engage is at the very bottom right now. Not bad at all, though. All right. Feels good. This engagement's damn near like on the floor. I miss those noises. Alright, let's just stop, even though we don't have to. Get some braking on this clutch. Clutch feels great though. Clutch feels great. Shout out to Mantic for the twin. Everybody loves twins, no matter what it is. First. Oh yeah, smooth. She's butter. Oh yeah, she's ready to rip. I don't even think we need to break it in. Mantic just heard me like, no! Okay, so I'm happy. TURBOMARO's moving under its own power. Clutch feels great. Thank you to Mantic. If you guys are looking for a clutch, make sure you check out Mantic. They got everything from street clutches to competition clutches, single disc to quad disc. So no matter your application, they got something for you. Hit them up, tell them I sent you, and you'll get a nice little discount. But yeah, this thing is back on 4 wheels. Huge shout out to my dog for coming and helping me out, because that was a pain in the ass. And just like that, Camaro is back on the road, fixed, ready to go. But that's gonna be the end of this video because I am whooped. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.